Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, here with the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 18th of January 2015. So we'll start the week off with the Euro Aussie. We can see this demand level marks up here. Last week price engulfed it with some strong price action. If we look to the left here, we see nothing but green candles. That is our profit potential here on the trade, so I'll be looking to shorts down through these candles this week. So we'll be watching price action to see if we get an entry. That is the Euro Aussie picture on the daily chart. Now sticking with the Euro, we've got EN, Euro New Zealand dollar. Now price was moving quite rapidly down in the past week. Well, after a retrace up, we've got that heavy move out of this supply level here. They don't usually like those long wicks, but it still looks like a pretty decent level, especially for a pair like this one, where you can sometimes have this wiki price action. So yeah, so we've got this small base, large Momo or momentum candle leaving that level, and so I'll be looking for shorts on return to that one. Now moving on to another euro pair, we've got euro dollar. We've got EU here. The price has been falling for a very long time, but I don't like to short of this price action here. But we've got a demand level, another demand level. I did look at one a couple of weeks back, and price went through that one. I think that was about up here, but price went straight through that, and we've now arrived at another one. So if we scroll over, I'll show you where that is exactly. In fact, it's probably better if I zoom out. There we go. And do that. Okay. So this is the demand level which we have reached. So we've got this drop, this base, this rally here. Price rallied out strongly, went up quite a way. Zooming out to the monthly, that's how far it went. Came back, did not touch the demand level, and hasn't come back since. And this was back in 2003, so that's a very long time ago. So we shall see whether or not this level holds. There's the demand level again, and this is the picture, red candles coming in. So we're watching that one for opportunity. Now the other one that I'll be watching this week is GJ, pound yen. That is this one here. So we had this engulf a while ago, and we were looking for shorts. Took a short already, and now we're looking for another one. Haven't seen that yet, and we've still got a way to go before price hits a demand level on a daily to turn price. You can see where price has turned here. There's nothing significant, for price to turn. Maybe just this area here, this previous resistance turning into support, but not enough to stop me from looking for shorts, because I'll be looking for price to turn long from demand. That's not demand, although price did reject pretty strongly from that area. But I'll be looking for another. I'll be looking for some more price action to confirm a short this week. So trading from the lower time frames, going down, and there's still a few hundred pips in it, I believe. Now, last week we took some shorts. So this time last week we were looking at EJ, Euro Yen, and this one has given us the price action that we were looking for. We had this profit zone here. We took one short and exited, and then we found another short last week and got the 200 pips. Obviously it's gone for a lot further, but I have to get out when the price action tells me to, so that's what we did. So it was a very nice trade that we took last week on EJ. Price did exactly what we wanted, and on CJ, CAD Yen, similar thing. Price had engulfed this decision point already, it engulfed it again. We found a supply level on the lower time frame to short from, and so we did that for over 100 pips. Price has not got back down to this demand level. It did come down within a few pips, but hasn't reached it yet. But this was the other trade that we took last week. So it was CJ and EJ. Still waiting for GJ to follow in line. It normally moves in a similar fashion to the Euro Yen, but not over the past few weeks. These are the main pairs that we're watching. Ooh, I probably couldn't finish this without talking about the Swiss announcement. Let's look at dollar Swiss. Look at that. Now that looks like a nice level to short from when price gets back up there. Let's mark that on. Now I wasn't in any positions on any Swiss pairs, but I did have some price alerts on my phone. So on the day, I think it was Thursday, my phone was beeping and vibrating like mad, and I was wondering what on earth is going on here. And when I looked at the charts, the price action was crazy, and you can see that is a hell of a move. Quite a few brokers have gone bust as a result, as they weren't prepared for this. Lots of traders have lost money, so trading firms have gone into insolvency. But I hope that everyone else out there was okay. If we zoom out, you can see just how big that price action was. That's the monthly picture, and there it is on the weekly there. So not sure when price will get back up there, but this is certainly one to watch, I think. So these are the pairs that I'm watching this week. Until next time, happy trading.